Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Please listen to this very closely. Have you ever heard of the Quran, the Holy Quran? Okay, this is a book that scientists and researchers today are finding out that the book is perfect. Hear me out. As far as grammar, linguistics, premonition, prophecies, medically, scientifically, whatever it entails or speaks on, this book is perfect. It was revealed over 1,400 years ago to a man who was said to be illiterate. Even if he wasn't, and he was a genius back then there's too much in this book that any human being would have known. Without the guidance of an almighty God, everyone that goes into this book to disclaim it, with reason and intellect, is transformed into a Muslim. Only those who are driven to attack Islam with false accusations move forward with sometimes known lies. Then there are those with no knowledge. And most, like with the grade school education, who are more prone to believing in the Power Rangers or the X-Men, who should not even be considered in the conversation. They want to convince you that the days of Egypt or some ancient theology will rise up again. All of those theologies, they were all defeated with truth, exposing their idolatry. I pray that you all read, analyze, and ponder over the Quran. God willing, you'll be saved from a fire that was built for men and stone. Peace.